When we receive your order for PriWatt switchable smart glass, we move directly into production. Every project starts with clearly defined technical parameters. The specified interlayer is then prepared in accordance with the project specification. The interlayer is prepared for processing using CNC machinery. PriWatt interlayers are cut to exact specifications, supporting complex geometries and consistent alignment in the final assembly. Simultaneously, glass preparation begins. Surface condition is critical to the lamination process. Each panel is processed to remove contamination and ensure a controlled bonding surface. All PriWatt glass is UL and SGCC certified. Bonding interlayers are positioned first, followed by the selected PriWatt switchable interlayer in accordance with the project specifications. Each layer is handled to maintain exact positioning and alignment throughout the assembly. The second glass layer completes the laminate structure, ensuring uniform contact across the panel. At this stage, the laminate structure is assembled, edges are trimmed, and the unit is sealed to stabilize the panel before lamination. Each oven operates within defined process parameters, adjusted to the specific interlayer configuration and panel size. For standard panels, our medium lamination oven provides a stable and repeatable environment for the bonding process. For large format architectural panels, our jumbo lamination oven extends the same process control to oversized glass. Balanced heat and vacuum conditions are maintained across extended dimensions, ensuring consistent bonding and optical uniformity from center to edge. This allows large-scale smart glass systems to be produced without variation in clarity or structural performance. For specialized or small format projects, including automotive applications, our compact lamination oven applies the same controlled process to smaller and more detailed components. After lamination, every panel undergoes detailed quality control. The full surface is inspected, and where required, specific areas are evaluated under magnification to verify compliance with internal standards. Finally, glass is secured, loaded, and shipped directly from our US facility. Every step, from request to delivery, is executed with absolute precision, making PriWatt the benchmark of smart glass manufacturing in the USA. PriWatt Glass, a new generation of smart glass, engineered for performance.